Hello, welcome to the full course on the Korean language. In this lesson, you will learn the grammatical construction cannot. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to make such sentences as you see over here. I cannot play piano. I cannot wake up early. I cannot speak Chinese. The structure of this grammatical construction is similar to what we learned in the previous lesson. Just the structure, not the meaning, okay? Some people don't know the difference between these two grammatical constructions. Take a look at these examples. The first sentence says, I don't go to school this week. 가지 않다. The second sentence says, I can't go to school this week. 가지 못하다. Do you see the difference? So to say that you cannot do something as usual, you need to get rid of the last syllable 다. Now you can attach this grammatical construction to the verb stem. 사지 못하다. To make this phrase a complete sentence, we need to attach a sentence ending. First, we need to get rid of 다. Now we can attach the sentence ending. 사지 못합니다. I can't buy. 가지 못합니다. I can't go. 공부하지 못합니다. I can't study. There is also another way to say the same thing. All you need to do is to place 못 before the verb. 저는 못 삽니다. I can't buy. However, when the verb consists of two parts, where the first part is a noun and the second part is a verb, 하다, you need to move 못 before the verb 하다, same as we did in the previous lesson. So you can either say 공부 못합니다 or 공부하지 못합니다. Here you need to put space, and here you shouldn't put any space. Sometimes you will see such sentences where 못 and 하다 are written as one word. It's not a typo. These two sentences have two different semantic meanings. The first sentence says that I can't study, for example, only today for some reason, or because it's very noisy. The second sentence says that I'm bad at studying, or I don't have such skill or ability to study something. Let's take a look at one more example. 운전 못합니다. The first sentence says I can't drive because I'm very tired. And this sentence, where there is no space, says that I'm either not good at driving or I don't have such skill. This can be confusing, but that's fine. You're doing a great job. Believe me, even native Korean speakers get confused. Many of them don't know when 못 and 하다 are written together and when there should be a space between these two words.